Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Sobhagya. So today we are going for ski. So this is a vlog. The weather is very beautiful today and we are off for skiing. For some of us it is the very first experience. We are going to North Slopes, which is in Indiana. Do you see the tracks already towards your left side? Those white tracks are the ones where we are heading towards. So excited! See, we can almost see those tracks. It's going to be really interesting. So here we are doing some waiver forms, filling up, and after that we will head towards picking up our skis and helmet and boots and everything else. But first let's do the waiver. These are just so heavy. It feels like, robots are walking. These are so heavy, so difficult to put your feet in, so tight. Just struggling. Right? Yes. I got out fast. Thank you. We need to take this one. We are changing the locker. We couldn't find the keys for the first one, so we are putting all our stuff into the other locker, all our shoes and belongings. It is pretty cheap, 50 cents per locker until you unlock it. Okay, let's pick our ski board, helmets and everything. Gear up. Get ready. And you won't believe, we just started and two of these fell off and now they are struggling to get up. And here is the third one. Yeah. Oh, fall again. बच गई. हाँ अभी गिरेगी लता. I didn't press the video button. Wait. I just need this stick. That's it. This. Yeah, stick. No, you.
No, I just stopped here. I cannot go further.
Yeah, good. Come on, Mahesh.
Give me your hand.
Show your face. And once again, almost hit the nets. Oh no! गीते में आना चाहिए.
There is no fun. Only
Mahesh.
standing. Who wants to come for ski?
मैं
I think skateboard is easy, right?
do snowboarding, the sledging. बच गए.
Come on! There's nobody. Come fast. Yes, very good.
Garden salad, pizza, sandwich. People are having. I'm not taking your. Took your face while eating.
आपके नाराज हो तो खा लेंगे.